Enzian Gentians, Gentiana, are a stunning group of flowering plants known for their vibrant blue flowers and glossy green foliage. These perennial plants are highly valued for their beauty and are commonly grown in gardens, rockeries, and alpine plant collections. If you're interested in adding Enzian Gentians to your garden, this video will provide you with valuable information on how to grow and care for these exquisite flowers. Planting Enzian Gentians. The best time to plant Enzian Gentians is in spring or early autumn. Follow these steps to ensure successful planting. Dig a hole that is wide and deep enough to accommodate the root ball of the plant. Gently remove the plant from its container, being careful not to damage the roots. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently around the roots. Water the plant thoroughly to settle the soil. Watering and moisture. Enzian Gentians prefer consistently moist soil but are susceptible to root rot if overwatered. Water the plants regularly, ensuring that the soil remains evenly moist but not waterlogged. During hot, dry periods, you may need to provide supplemental irrigation to keep the soil adequately moist. Fertilizing. Enzian Gentians benefit from regular feeding to promote healthy growth and abundant flowering. Use a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring when new growth emerges. Mulching and weed control. Apply a layer of organic mulch around Enzian Gentians to help retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also protects the shallow roots of the plants. Avoid piling mulch against the stems to prevent rotting. Pruning. Enzian Gentians generally do not require extensive pruning. However, you can remove faded flowers and trim back any overgrown or straggly stems to maintain a neat appearance. Prune sparingly, preferably after the flowering season, to avoid interfering with future flower production. Winter care. Enzian Gentians are hardy perennials that can withstand cold temperatures. However, in regions with harsh winters, it is advisable to provide some protection. Apply a layer of mulch or straw around the base of the plant in late autumn to insulate the roots from freezing temperatures. This mulch can be removed in early spring when the weather begins to warm. Enzian Gentians are exquisite flowers that can add a touch of elegance and color to your garden. By providing the right growing conditions, including partial shade, well-drained soil, and adequate moisture, you can enjoy their captivating blue blooms year after year. With proper care and attention, Enzian Gentians will reward you with their beauty and grace. Happy gardening!